we discussed about what is metallurgy, occurrence of metals, minerals and ores. In this session, we are going to discuss how the ores are concentrated by gravity separation and froth flotation process. The from its ore consists of three metallurgical processes: concentration of the ore, extraction of crude metal, refining of crude metal. அதாவது ஓர்ல இருந்து அந்த மெட்டல் எப்படி அடர்ப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது, பிரித்தெடுக்கப்படுகிறது, எப்படி தூய்மையாக்கப்படுகிறது அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி படிக்கிறது தான் மெட்டலர்ஜிக்கல் ப்ராசஸ். Ore which are mined with the earth crust contain so many impurities. அதாவது ஒரு கேரட் செடியை நம்ம பூமியிலிருந்து பிடுங்கி எடுத்தோம்னா அந்த கேரட்டோட நிறைய மண்ணெல்லாம் கலந்துருக்கும். அப்ப நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அந்த மண் எல்லாத்தையுமே வாஷ் பண்ணுவோம். அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த ஓரை நம்ம மைன் பண்ணி எடுக்க நேரம் அதுல நிறைய இம்பியூரிட்டிஸ் கலந்துருக்கும். அப்ப அதெல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு பேரு தான் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன். ஜெனரலி the ores are associated with non-metallic impurities, rocky materials and siliceous material. They are collectively known as gangue. Ore with impurities are known as gangue. Non-metallic impurities, rocky materials and siliceous materials are known as impurities. Generally, the ores are in the form of oxides and sulfides. When metal combines with oxygen forms metal oxide. When metal combines with the sulfur form metal sulfides. Here, the oxygen and sulfur combines with metal are known as non-metallic impurities. பொதுவா ஓர் எல்லாமே ஆக்சைட்ஸ் ஆகவோ சல்ஃபைட்ஸ் ஆகவோ தான் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். அதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஆக்சிஜன் அண்ட் சல்ஃபர் பார்ட்டுக்கு பேர் தான் non-metallic impurities. When the ores are mined from the earth crust, sand and soil particles are usually associated with it. So what is the first step? The preliminary or the first step of metallurgical process is the removal of the from the ore. This process is known as concentration of ore. This increases the amount of or concentration of metal in the ore. கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம அந்த இம்பியூரிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் அந்த ஓர்ல இருந்து ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும். அப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்றதுனால அந்த மெட்டலோட கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் அந்த ஓர்ல நமக்கு இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். Several methods are available for this process. The choice of method depends upon the nature of ore, type of impurity and environmental factors. நிறைய மெத்தட்ஸ் இருக்கு நமக்கு இந்த ஓரை கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்றதுக்கு. அது எதை பொறுத்ததுன்னா it depends upon the nature of ore and what are the impurities present and the environmental factors. Four methods are given. First one is gravity separation or hydraulic wash. This method is generally applicable to concentrate oxide ores such as hematite, tin stone, etc. and also the native ores such as gold. What is the principle behind this method? Here the ore possesses high specific gravity and the impurities possess low specific gravity. Usually the impurities possess low specific gravity are washed away by the running stream of water. The heavier ore particles with high specific gravity are settled down. Wash method. First of all, the ore is crushed to a powdered form. Then it is treated with running stream of water. The impurities with low specific gravity are washed away by the running stream of water. First, the ore is powdered into fine particles. Then it is kept on the sloping table. Then we can pass the running stream of water. So what happens? The heavier ore particles are settled in the sloping table. The lighter impurities are washed away by the running stream of water. We can clearly understand this hydraulic process by looking at this video.
Hydraulic washing. This is based on the differences in gravities of the ore and the gangue particles. It is therefore a type of gravity separation. Cassiterite is concentrated by this method. Wilflite tables are specially made tables for washing of ores. The ore is ground to a fine powder in ball mills. Then the powder is washed with a current of flowing water. Lighter gangue particles washed away and the heavier ore particles remain behind at the bottom.
Next method is froth flotation process. This method is used to concentrate sulfide ores, example zinc blende and galena. The principle behind this is the metallic ore particles are wetted by oil and can be separated from gangue, that is from impurities. Metallic ore particles are hydrophobic in nature, so they are wetted by oil. The impurities are water soluble, that is hydrophilic in nature. In this process, first of all, the ore is crushed into a finely powdered form and then it is suspended in water. This is mixed with a frothing agent. Usually we are using pine oil or eucalyptus oil. What is frothing agent? The substance which forms froth are known as frothing agent. Example, pine oil or eucalyptus oil. Then one more substance is added, that is known as collector. Then what is the use of this collector? The collector molecules attach to the ore particles and make them water repellent. That is, they make the ore particles hydrophobic in nature. The ore அதாகவே எதா மாறாதுன்னா ஃப்ராத்தா ஈஸியா மாறாது. அதுக்காக நம்ம ஃப்ரோத்திங் ஏஜென்ட் ஆட் பண்றோம். அப்ப ஈஸியா ஃப்ரோத் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். தென் கலெக்டர் ஆட் பண்றோம். அது எதுக்குன்னு சொன்னா அந்த ஃப்ரோத்தை ஈஸியா மேல ரைஸ் பண்ணி கொண்டு வர்றதுக்காக நம்ம கலெக்டர் யூஸ் பண்றோம். So through this mixture means ore, frothing agent and collector forms froth by blowing air through this mixture, so that the ore particles are wetted by the oil and they rise to the surface along with the froth. The froth formed is skimmed off, that is they collected separately. This is kept for a long time for drying. From this we recover the concentrated ore. The gangue or the impurities are wetted by water and they are settled at the bottom. Look at this picture. First, the ore, the frothing agent and the collector and water are kept in the container. Then the compressed air is passed through this, then it is agitated well. So the froth formed rise on the surface. That is collected separately and kept it for long time. From this we can recover the sulfide ore. The heavier impurities are settled at the bottom. Look at this video. We can clearly understand the froth flotation process.
Froth flotation method. This method is generally used for the concentration of sulfide ores. The principle behind froth flotation process is that sulfide ores are preferentially wetted by pine oil, whereas gangue particles are wetted by water. In this process, a suspension of a powdered ore is made with water. Collectors like pine oil, fatty acids and xanthates are added to it. Froth stabilizers like cresols and aniline stabilize the froth. The mineral particles become wet by oils while gangue particles by water. A rotating paddle agitates the mixture and draws air in it. As a result, froth is formed, which carries the mineral particles. The froth is light and is skimmed off. It is then dried for the recovery of the ore particles.
Next one is how to separate two sulfide ores. If the ore contains two sulfide ores, for example, zinc sulfide in galena, here the amount of zinc sulfide is less, galena is more. We have to use depressing agent such as sodium cyanide or sodium carbonate here. Here zinc sulfide is an impurity present in galena ore. What is the use of depressing agent? The depressing agent prevent zinc sulfide from coming to the ore. That is sodium cyanide added to the ore forms a complex with zinc sulfide. That is sodium zinc cyanide. Na2Zn Cn 4 times is formed. This is water soluble. So the depressing agent depresses the floating property of zinc sulfide so that the water soluble complex settle down at the bottom. இந்த சிங்க் சல்ஃபைடுங்கிற ஓரானது கலீனால மிக குறைந்த அளவு இருக்கும். அப்ப இந்த சிங்க் சல்ஃபைடை நம்ம எப்படி கலீனால இருந்து செப்பரேட் பண்றது? இதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம்னா அந்த டிப்ரெசிங் ஏஜென்ட் சோடியம் சயனைடு அல்லது சோடியம் கார்பனேட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இந்த சோடியம் சயனைடு இங்க என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா அந்த சிங்க் சல்ஃபைடோட சேர்ந்து ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ், அதாவது சோடியம் சிங்க் சயனைடுங்கிற காம்ப்ளெக்ஸை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். இந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் வந்து வாட்டர் சால்யபிள். அப்போ இது வந்து ஃப்ராத்தோட சேர்ந்து அப்பர் சர்ஃபேஸ்க்கு போகாம வாட்டர் சால்யபிளா ஆயிரும். அதனால அப்படியே செட்டில் ஆகி பாட்டத்துல வந்து அப்படியே செட்டில் ஆயிரும். இதுல வந்து நம்ம frothing agent, collector, depressing agentங்கிற சில terms வந்து the froth flotation processல யூஸ் பண்றோம். What is frothing agent? It helps to make froth easily. For this we are using pine oil and eucalyptus oil. Next one is collector. It makes them water repellent. அதாவது இது ஓரை வந்து water repellent ஆட்டு மாத்தும். For example, sodium ethyl santhate is used as a collector. What is depressing agent? It decreases the floating property of the impurity. For that we are using sodium cyanide or sodium carbonate. In the need point of view also, the name examples of collector and depressing agents are very, very important. Today we discussed about concentration of ore, gravity separation and froth flotation process. So what are the expected questions from this portion? What are the various steps involved in the extraction of pure metals? What is concentration of ore? What is gangue? Explain gravity separation or hydraulic wash method. What is the principle in gravity separation process? What is collector?
What is depressing agent? Explain with example. Explain froth flotation process. I hope you have all understood the topic discussed. Next class we will discuss concentration by leaching and magnetic separation. Thank you.